everybody and welcome back. We are here today to do the winners drawing for the challenges for the month of March. So throughout March I released my kit, A Gardener's Journal, and I had different challenges going on each week with different freebies. And lots of people were participating and posting in the Facebook group, which is always wonderful to see. It's been really fantastic seeing the different creations that people have made. Some people followed the challenges, some people use the freebies to make slightly different things or to add things to their journals that they were making with the main kit. But yeah, it was really an inspirational month. So thank you so much to everybody that participated. As usual, what I did is if you just use the freebies in the projects that you posted, for each post that you made in the Facebook group throughout March, you received one entry. If you used elements from the paid kit with the freebies or just on its own with the paid kit, then you've got 2 entries for each post that you made. So I've put all of the names into a wheel here, and as usual I will do a spin in a moment, but there were so many entries, again 66 entries, which is fantastic. So again, a huge thank you to those participating. I'm going to have 3 winners, so I'm going to spin 3 times. Each winner can pick a kit from my shop that they would like to work with. All you need to do is either message me via Facebook, or you can message me via my Etsy shop and let me know which kit it is that you would like for me to send to you. So let's see who the first winner is. And it looks like it is Krista. So Krista is my first winner. I'm going to write down your name, Krista, so that I remember. And then I'm going to remove your name from the wheel, because obviously we can only have you winning once. So Krista is the first winner. So we'll spin again and see who the second person is. I think that's pronounced Ria. Sorry if I am butchering your name, but well done. You are my second winner. And again, I'm going to remove you from the wheel, and we'll tap again for the third and final winner. And it looks like it is Amy. Well done, Amy. So you ladies can contact me and let me know which kit that you would like. As I said, a massive thank you to everybody that did take part. It was fantastic seeing all your makes. Obviously we are now in April. I've got new kits released for April. There will be new freebies and new challenges as well. So I'm really looking forward to everybody joining in with those. Please keep an eye out on my Facebook group as well. I'm going to be posting different things that my design team created for the month of March, just so you can kind of get some inspiration on how you could have used the March kit as well. They're also working on this month's kit and have already been posting some fabulous projects, so make sure that you check them out. I do have a Linktree list down below in the description where you can access all of their social media and see what they've been up to. Once again, thank you so much for joining me and joining in with the challenges. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.